Submissions.
Today we are back with the Yamaha 50 Raptor, and we're gonna make sure if our battery is charging correctly. This is the rectifier regulator, and we're gonna be checking the rectifier regulator and see if it's working. From the stator comes into the rectifier to AC. The rectifier comes out for DC and charges the battery. Let's go take the seat off and check the battery. With my meter, we're gonna put it on the battery and see how much volts it is. It should be over 12 volts. Negative on negative. Oh, by the way, we're gonna put it on DC. It's 12. It's 1269. That looks good. To make sure the battery is charging, we use a tachometer. This is the tachometer that we use. Let me show you how to put it on. All you have to do is put the alligator clip, the spark plug cable. The end. You're gonna put on the multimeter on DC volts. And we're gonna put on the leads on the battery. We're gonna put the alligator clips on negative and positive to positive. We got everything set up, so the service manual says it should be at 5,000 RPMs. This should be at around 14 volts. We're gonna start up the bike and we're gonna see how many volts it should be. We were at 5,000 RPMs, around 14 volts. That means the rectifier is charging the battery. Thanks for watching. Bye.